So once you have your microphone plugged in, you'll start to see a little level going across there. See, level, testing 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit record. And there we go. We're recording my voice right into GarageBand. We can kick it out. It's an MP3, and you can do a podcast, you can do a voiceover, you can do other things. That's about it. Plug your USB microphone in and get it recognized. Alrighty. I'm going to hit stop, and then of course I can rewind it and hit play. Record, and there we go. We're recording my voice right. And then of course in Macintoshes, it's what is it? Share, right? I'm not going to send it to iTunes. I'm not sending it to the cloud. I'm not going to drop it. I'm going to export this song, and then it's going to give me an option to where I want to send it, right? Even puts a little date on it there for you. I'm going to send it to the desktop. It's going to be an MP3, and of course, you click export, and that would do it. Thanks again.